It's officially the start of summer, which means hotter weather, time by the pool, and most important, cookout season. To celebrate this week, we're featuring all our favorite cooking classes to keep your summer tasting delicious. Hi, I'm Sarah Widman, and welcome to this week's New and Now. Everyone knows that summer equals grilling season. If you're new to grilling, or want to brush up on your skills, check out Low and Slow BBQ at home. You'll get the secrets to savory meat, flavor-packed rubs, and amazing sauces. Yum! And I'm drooling a little. To keep your grilling options open, you can also check out Fire Up the Fish, where cookbook author and grill master David Bonham shares expert tips on grilling salmon, lobster, and more. A warning, your neighbors may be acting a little more neighborly when they smell your new grill skills. While we can all agree that grilling is essential, no summer cookout is complete without an amazing dessert. Join Gazina Bullock Prado in pies and tarts for every season. And master the perfect summer tart or a festive berry pie that will be on point for the 4th. Or if you're an ice cream lover like me, you have to check out Bigger, Bolder Frozen Desserts with YouTube star Gemma Stafford. From her famous 2-ingredient, no-machine ice cream to a life-changing Mississippi mud pie ice cream cake, let's just say you might want to save some room. Hungry yet? I am. And that's only a taste of the hundreds of cooking classes available with your subscription. Be sure to keep exploring all the classes and shows available in Craftsy Unlimited, and check back each week for new releases. Until next time, happy summer, and good luck on the grill.